The AirToss 120 UVC by Digital Airless is a serious tool that allows businesses to get back to normal and to keep people safe. Managing the pandemic is part of daily life. Businesses must restart plants, reopen offices, and bring employees back to work. Safety is the top priority for every American business. Safety was the reason Digital Airless developed the AirToss 120 UVC disinfection drone. The AirToss 120 UVC is a first strike disinfection tactic. It's a proven industrial drone with powerful UVC capabilities. This drone is remotely piloted, uses no harsh chemicals, and delivers UVC disinfection remotely and safely. The AirToss 120 UVC is a new way to deliver UVC disinfection. We partnered with experts in UVC disinfection to create this revolutionary new tool. The AirToss 120 UVC drone disinfects using UVC LED lights designed for healthcare and water purification. UVC light is lethal to pathogens. UVC energy inactivates viruses and bacteria by destroying their DNA. The drone is a clean, safe way to utilize the power of UVC energy to disinfect surface areas on demand using UVC LED technology. It's a tool that can be used by many different industries. Airlines and travel, healthcare, education, college and professional sports. If you drink water, you've experienced the results of UVC disinfection firsthand. UV has been used to disinfect surfaces, air and water since 1877. Americans have been utilizing UVC disinfection for decades. Rigorous testing performed on the Claron WD series UVC LEDs provide data-driven proof of the reliability and performance of the UVC LEDs for disinfection. The 120 UVC is receiving national and international press coverage from tech and science media. The drone was named a technology innovator by the 2020 Mobile Robot Guide. The drone is easy to learn to fly. In fact, we'll come and train you. If not, we also have a nationwide network of pilots and service providers that can help you be successful with this drone.